one. Just listening to some Farnsey on the radio. I've got to go up to Brisbane today and work. Feeling a bit tired. Remember, I woke up at like midday yesterday. Well, couldn't get back to sleep until it's probably about 3 a.m. and then for some reason I woke up at 5 a.m. Anyway, at least I got some sleep. Some sleep is better than none. So up to Brisbane, work for the day. I did jump on my computer and check my emails, and Patreon sent me another email from their owner, Jack. What is it with people whose name's Jack? Are they all totally screw loose or something? Anyway, it's saying, oh yeah, sorry about that last email saying we're making these changes. We decided we're not going to do that anymore. I just don't get these companies that try and fix things that ain't broken. Although with him, I'm pretty sure, I mean, he was charging like 5, 7, 8, 9% takings, and all these other companies that come on who are only taking 5%, so he's probably tried to sneakily bring it down to the, we're only taking 5% plus the rest. These sneaky buggers. Called Jack. He's probably a Californian who works in Silicon Valley. And we all know what they're like, don't we? Anyway, off to Brisbane. It's supposed to be about 32, 33 degrees Celsius today. Nice warm one. So anyway, let's go. Look at this dickhead tailgating. God, I hate tailgaters. They are the scum of the earth. And I always slow down if anyone ever does it to me. And I'll slow down to 5 kilometers an hour on the freeway. So don't do it to me. Alright. First thing I've got to do is check out the lunchroom. Okay, I got some lollies there. Got some nuts, yeah, good. Some muesli, I won't touch that. Some Tim Tams, I'll eat at least 6 of those. Okay, let's see what's in the fridge. If there's any tucker. Ooh, yeah. Beers. Some onions and tomatoes. Ooh, what's this, turkey? Looks like I'm having turkey wraps for lunch today. You ripper. Might as well have some now. See what it's like. Make sure it's not rancid. It's a bit hard to tell. Turkey wraps it's going to be. Coffee time. Rightio. Can I do this one? Oh, I stuffed it again. Damn it. I didn't froth the milk enough. Oh, God, that makes me mad. Alright, it's lunchtime, finally. Been hanging out for this. So, put some cheese. Grab some turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Ah! Tomatoes. Yeah. Got some onion here. You beauty. Got some green stuff in a bag. Yuck. Yucko. A bit more yucky stuff. Bit of mayo on top. Boof. Lunch is done once I fold it. My pocket of perfection. Well, sort of. She's a ripper. Stuck in peak hour traffic. Been on this road for half an hour. Thanks a lot, commuters. But I tell you what, the traffic heading up to Brisbane and going home, I've never seen it so bad. Usually at this time of the year it's thinned out because everyone's on holidays, but nah, it's got absolutely worse. Bet you're glad you bought a convertible now, mate. Hey? Bet you're glad you bought a BMW convertible now. Finally got home, but whatever that is, God, that was a long day. Sucks going on work in Brisbane. It's just, traffic's so bad. Get my little yellow friend out. Do a bit of catching up with him. Get my dinner out. All prepared to nuke. Oh yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and sure I'll see you tomorrow.